Hey everyone, this is Yogesh from Online Marketing. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you of taking an action and coming over and watching this video. Now, there are a couple of things I want like to tell you before you get going on the free training uh, to help you with your ultimate goal of making a passive income in your business. So on this page, there are a couple of things I want to tell you. The first is the bonuses that you're going to be getting. It's available to everyone. All you gotta do is sign up and get going on this business. So it's either the left or the right of this video. Just I suggest you look the type of bonuses is available to you and take advantage of it. The second thing I want to tell you is below this video there are two buttons that will help you get going with your business. That's where I come in and help you. For a person who wants to need my help one-on-one, there's a coaching button where we'll sit down for up to an hour and I'll help you with your business to customize it and get it going in the shortest time as possible. Now, I like that way to go because it is way easier, a lot less stressful, and you get things done way easier. And everything is done for you, and I'll do everything for you. So if you want to take that route, go ahead, click that button. If not, no problem. Go ahead. There's another button that's where I come in, and if you're stuck at something and need any help, click that button, connect on the Facebook Messenger, and you can ask me any questions. So those are the two ways I can help you out. Now, the other things I want to tell you on this page is, if you look at below, there is all the income potential that you're able to make with the ClickFunnels. Now, also at the background of this video right here, where you have is the typical earning of within a week or so, with 1 week of a person, that's how much they can make it. This is the earning that is of one of my friend who is doing ClickFunnels just like myself, and he's been involved in this for a longer time than I am. So this is his earning on Tuesday. He made about $311. Monday didn't do anything, zero. Sunday, $77. Saturday, 116, 155 on Friday, and 85 on Tuesday. And this is his earnings so far, which is Wednesday. It's $240. So this is the type of things that you are can achieve it, or maybe make it more. Now this is one of the that I'm showing you when he was just starting and get going. This is the earning snapshot of him, before he went ahead and got going and ultimate got to a dream car. And you will know about this if you go through the training and all that. So what I suggest now is take your time, just scroll down and get going on the free training, and also take advantage of the bonuses. And if you need my help, go ahead, click the messenger button to connect on the Facebook Messenger, or get going on the coaching call where we will get this going fairly quickly and get everything set up for you within an hour or so. Thank you, and here's a good luck to you.